What's up, YouTube? I don't know all the specialists. Come with another video. Been working. Got a couple videos I'm trying to get off my phone. Uploaded to a YouTube account. Got you what I'm working on. It's an 89 box Chevy. It was old, sitting, all those seals were leaking. Minor wires, just start. Anything.
This one?
Anything, yeah. But I took the carpet out. Had brand new black carpet. This is a great car. My boy Paul from Team Still Louder, coming to do the headliner, is on the way. I'm coming to take it out, do the side panels. I have a brand new carpet on the way. Traded this car for the same Trailblazer SS I showed y'all that I had. Came with digital dash. Car run pretty good. But this is what we're doing. There's 2 holes on the floor. Okay, gotta get it right. Gotta fix that before I put the new carpet in here. No other spots in the car. Everything else is fine. Interior was in great shape. Just needs to be really cleaned. So, had to stop 3:05 minute runs. I'm gonna drive, fix the AC, drive it till it blow up. Finally about to get painted off. Bear with me. This is the one that's going into the Caprice. 2019 LT1. Took the heads off. Got a Camaro SS intake. Got a 4L80 getting built. These are the heads. About to go to the machine shop. This other project I'm telling y'all about. 71 Caprice. Good friend of mine, Craig Whitehead, is helping me. He is a master. 10 times better than I am, but he is coaching me and as well as helping me along with this project. With a good friend of mine. Car's in great shape. Got all the interior out. Still working. Craig took the fenders to his house to finish them. But kind of messy. But put the piece up here. Oh, pay attention, my bad. Got stuck. Got this weight. But this is the piece that I have cut. Well, I had an old rocker panel off another vehicle. But to cut where this line is right here. So this right here, this lip with that little curve right here, and I flatten that out so it should be able to fit right in there the way I want it to be. Right around that little curve. And then the rest of it, I'm gonna flatten it out and cut a little square. I'll show you. I'll stop back once I cut the pieces out. Bear with me, stick with me. I'll be back with another video. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe, lock in with your boy.